Alright, so I did the deadhead video on my Poyet's White 1 week ago. So I think it will be interesting to show you all how it looks like just 1 week after it finished the deadheading. So there you go, this is how it looks like 1 week after that. I will put the link of my deadhead video in my description, so you can go check it out, and you can see that it already started to open up the bud. I think this bud was there already last week, and so you can see that all the buds are started to show out again. And this is just after a week, and you can and then they are like almost already covered. The new growth is already covered the entire pod. You can see the buds are everywhere. So this is why I emphasize in fertilize and deadhead right away after the deadhead. So you can see that it is very the growth is very fast and it's all healthy. Remember, it was some we have some black spot, you know, and it doesn't look so good just last time before when we do the deadhead, and I almost removed like lots and lots of leaf, and they grow up really fast and just go back and looks good again in just a week. So there you go, this is the Poyet's White update 1 week after the deadhead is done. So I hope it inspires you to do it and not to be scared to remove some young leaf, the sick cane, the small cane. Remove the leaves, they are sick, and just want to show you how it looks like if you follow the method. Every single new growth has a bud show up right now. Every single one of them. There you go.